In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workflow in N8N. By the end, you'll know how to open your workspace, create a fresh workflow, find the app you want to connect, and add the right credentials so everything runs smoothly. Start by opening your N8N workspace in a browser and signing in. If you're part of multiple projects or environments, make sure you're in the right one before you begin. From the main dashboard, head to the Workflows section. This is where all your automations live and where we'll create a new one. Next, click Create a Workflow. N8N will open a blank canvas where you can design your automation. Give your workflow a clear, descriptive name at the top so you and your team can recognize it later. Naming conventions like CRM, New Leads to Sheet, or Weekly Report Generator make it much easier to find and maintain over time. N8N will save as you go, but it's still a good habit to save explicitly whenever you make important changes. Before adding nodes, you'll usually want to connect the app or service your workflow will use. In N8N, that's done with credentials. Search for the app you want to connect. This could be anything from a CRM to a messaging platform. You can use the built-in search to quickly find the official integration. Selecting the correct app here ensures you get the right authentication options and fields later. Now add the credentials for that app. Depending on the integration, you might authenticate with an API key, OAuth, or another method. Paste in the required details exactly as provided by the service and double-check for typos or extra spaces. Those small mistakes are the most common cause of failed connections. If the app offers both sandbox and production environments, confirm you're using the correct base URL or environment. Where possible, limit access to only the scopes you need and keep keys stored securely outside of shared documents. Many credentials screens include a test or connect button. Use it to verify everything works before saving. When you're done, click Save so your credentials are securely stored in N8N. With your workflow created and credentials saved, you can now add the app's node to the canvas and select the credentials you just configured. That way, your workflow can authenticate and run reliably. That's it. Open N8N, create a new workflow, search for your app and add your credentials, then save. You're ready to build and automate with confidence.